when you were a kid? Did you play with dolls? Imagine me running halls. You always knew you were for me. You're my mom, I'm always your son. A bond never undone. It's gotta be hard, mom's raising boys, breaking hearts, busting up toys, get lumps and scratches, always fixing and patching, mothers raising boys. What was your favorite day, where that feeling never fades away? Was it motherly purpose or an abuela sugary circus? I'm your son, you helped become a man, a bond never undone. It's gotta be hard, mom's raising boys, breaking hearts, busting up toys, getting lumps and scratches, always fixing and patching, mothers raising men. Time flows for moms holding their boys, learned life, took journeys, open, closed doors. The book ends, you look at your son,